Let's talk about how to get an API key for Instagram in 2025. This process has changed recently, and the older method no longer works. That's because Meta, the company that owns Instagram, officially shut down the Instagram Basic Display API. This change took effect on December 4th, 2024. After this date, any app that tries to use that old API will get an error message. So now, if you want to connect with Instagram programmatically, you need to use the new Instagram API. This is the method Meta recommends, and it's fully supported moving forward. To get started, open your browser and type in Meta Developer in the search bar. Click on the first link that takes you to Meta's official developer site. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner. If you see a login option, that means you are not signed in. Go ahead and log in using your Facebook account. This is required because Meta uses your Facebook account to manage all apps and permissions. If you're already logged in, you will see a button labeled My Apps. Click on that to move forward. Now you are in the Meta Developer dashboard. This is where you create and manage apps. Look for a green button that says Create App. Click on it. A form will appear asking for your app details. The first field is for your app name. You can enter any name you like, but avoid using the words Instagram, Facebook, or Meta because those are restricted. Instead, use something simple and clear, like API app or My App. Below that is a field for your app contact email. This is where Meta will reach you if they need to send important updates, policy changes, or security alerts. Make sure you use an email address you check regularly. Once both fields are filled out, click on the Next button. You'll now be taken to the section where you choose your app's use case. Meta will show you a list of common app purposes, such as managing ads, accessing Threads API, or launching a game. Since Instagram API isn't listed here, scroll to the bottom and choose the Other option. This simply tells Meta that your app has a custom or less common purpose. Then, click Next. Next, you will choose the type of app you're building. There are two options, business or consumer. Since the Instagram API is designed for business-level use, make sure you select Business. Click Next to continue. You will now see a summary of the details you just entered. Review everything to make sure it's correct. If it looks good, click Create App. At this point, Meta will ask you to confirm your identity by entering your Facebook password. Type it in and click Submit. Your app will now be created. You'll be taken to your app's dashboard where you can add products and features. Scroll down and look for the product named Instagram. Once you find it, click the Set Up button next to it. This opens a new section for configuring the API. The first step to add your Instagram account as a tester, so you wouldn't get any insufficient permissions error. To do that, look at the left side of your screen and click on App Roles. Then click on Roles and wait for the page to load. Once the page loads, click on Add People and then select the Instagram Tester option. A search window will pop up. Here, search for your Instagram username and select it from the list. Now, click on the Add button. An invite will be sent to your Instagram account. To accept it, go to this URL. Here you will see the Instagram Tester tab. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will see the invite. Simply accept it to give yourself the necessary permissions to generate the API key. Now you can return to the Instagram setup page. The next step is to link your Instagram account to the app. Click on the blue Add Instagram Account button. A small window will pop up. Click the blue button to continue. Now a new window will open up and you'll be asked to log into your Instagram account. Enter your username and password. If your Instagram account is not yet a professional account, you will be prompted to switch. You need a professional account to use the API. Simply follow the on-screen steps to change your account type. Once that's done, continue with the login. You'll then see a permissions window. Click Allow to give the app access to your Instagram account. Once you've allowed access, your account will appear in the dashboard. Now you'll see a button labeled Generate Token. This is how you get your API key. Click on it. A new window will pop up asking you to log in again. After that, it will ask you to review and accept the permissions. These include access to your media, profile info, insights, and other data that the API can use. Once you allow the permissions, you'll see a checkbox that says, "I understand." Click on that, and your API key will appear. Copy the API token and save it somewhere safe. This key allows your app to connect to Instagram and access the features you enabled. Make sure not to share it publicly or include it in open source code, because it can be used to control your app's Instagram access. If you ever want to generate a new key, just return to the same screen and repeat the process. You can also manage token permissions and expiration settings from the same area. That's the full process. You've now created a Meta app, linked your Instagram professional account, and successfully generated your API key in 2025. This setup will let you access and manage Instagram data securely and reliably, using the platform Meta fully supports going forward.